Good morning, everybody. My name is Jack Cauley. I'm the Chief of Police here in Castle Rock, Colorado. Thank you for coming this morning as we introduce to you our newest innovation, drones as first responders. We're very focused on innovation here at Castle Rock, and we knew that as successful as we were with license plate readers, that the DFR would be a game changer for us and be able to take us to that next level of policing.
Resource multiplier, absolutely. We're spread out over 33 square miles. There might only be 5, 6, 7, 8 officers patrolling that whole area. So we have a network of technology that help us apprehend people really fast. The most meaningful call that we've recently had was a guest of our community commit a crime in our mall area. Within 1 or 2 minutes, we had launched the drone, and then we used another product called Freeform. Threw in a very unique description. It was described as a white van with blue and black cow spray paint. Within another minute, we identified the vehicle. 12:03, we got the call, launched the drone. At 12:04, we had located the vehicle by 12:10. So in a matter of 7 minutes, we had located the suspect in the theft.
Our partnership with Flock goes back several years. We've seen success out of it as far as reduction in crime. Because of our positive history there, then we're very confident going into this that Flock was who we wanted to partner with when it came to launching our DFR program.
I think we're only scratching the surface. Our fire department's already asking, hey, what's the procedure requested? Sheriff's department's already reached out and said, hey, if we need assistance, how do we get it?
We've already talked with our fire department about it, and we can launch the drone and we'll get it out there. We can identify where that fire may be, and they can get resources on it pretty quick. Being able to provide them the link of the video, then the fire department can actually see, oh, here's how big the fire is, here's where it's at. It's going to help them respond and put that fire out much quicker.
This gives us the ability to cover areas where we know we need coverage, but we just can't get out there.
We have a lot of trails throughout our town. So if somebody calls 911 and let's say they were injured because they were on their mountain bike, getting that drone up and finding exactly where they are is priceless. We're never going to wake up one day and say we won policing, or we won the war on drugs. It's an infinite game. You're trying to build an organization that can effectively perform in an infinite game environment. And so it isn't just about one or two things, it's about building an entire culture and leadership mindset around that, and innovation is key to that.